Aviation is the ultimate high-stakes industry. Tight schedules, complex systems, and zero room for careless automation. So, real AI in airlines isn't a flashy chatbot. It's decision support that helps people spot issues earlier and plan better, while humans stay accountable. In plain English, aviation AI usually does one of four jobs: predict what might fail soon, detect abnormal patterns, optimize plans under changing constraints, or summarize what happened and what to do next. Here are the four buckets where AI actually shows up today: maintenance and reliability, anomaly detection and predictive maintenance, flight ops and network ops, disruption planning, aircraft, crews, fuel, gates, airports and ground ops, turnaround coordination, gate planning, baggage flow, passenger experience, clearer delay updates and rebooking help, draft first. The workflow is simple but strict. Collect data. Clean it because aviation data is messy. Run models for narrow tasks. Generate recommendations. Apply guardrails. Then humans review and act. In aviation, human review plus evidence is the point. Not all AI is equal risk. Low-risk summaries, internal search, draft passenger messaging with review, medium maintenance, triage suggestions, and forecasting with thresholds and escalation. High, anything that could influence safety-critical operations without oversight that needs formal assurance. Strict approvals and auditability. Here's the practical, safe aviation AI checklist. Data governance, allowed data rules. Least privilege access. Retention limits, don't turn logs into a shadow database. Reliability controls. Stop conditions when confidence is low. Observation versus inference. Regression tests, drift monitoring. Human in the loop, draft first for external comms, approval gates for system of record changes, clear owner per workflow, security, prompt injection awareness for untrusted docs, read-only tools by default, audit logs, and an incident playbook. Red flags, confident outputs with no evidence trail. Passenger messages auto-sent without review, broad write permissions for tools, and teams who can't answer what data went in and what model version did this. Aviation AI isn't about replacing pros. It's about reducing surprises, earlier detection, better planning, clearer communication. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.